Welcome to another episode of our diagnostics, and it's me again, your very own Julio Mechanico. Um, we have here a Mazda 6, and this car came in, no start, or it's trying to. But let me show you key, and I'm gonna try to start the car. Everything turns on. Ooh, looks good, but that's it. It dies out. Do it again. Just give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Give it time. Ooh. Nice, totally gone. But usually, what was it doing a while ago is when you turn it on, every time you turn the key on, all the lights are on. But when you start, it goes, and that's it. And let me show you this. Of course, the first thing you want to see is, or check, is the battery. That looks nice and fresh. I don't like that ever start. I don't, because sometimes they don't ever start. But this in particular, that gives you a red flag right already. I don't like this design, especially that, because they tend to get loose, and it's most of the time, I'm telling you, a no start is because of this. Look, let me show you. Okay. Okay, put this thing down. Come closer. You see all that movement? Yeah. That car's not gonna start. Either it's on the ground side or on the hot side. That's not gonna start. As simple as that. Could cause a no start. No crank, no start. So, let's tighten this and see what happens. By the way, if this works, I'm gonna replace that. So, let's do the same thing. Everything turns on, and the car started. See that? Do it again. There you go. A little shaky. Another problem with this is they're complaining about the oil leaks. And boy, it's leaking oil. Get my flashlight. Okay. See, oil leak in there. I thought it was that cap that's leaking, causing the oil leak, because underneath this car is just filthy. But to my surprise, take this cover off, and I notice all that gooey stuff. That tells me that something funky happened here. And look at that dripping oil. Oh, you can put a goldfish inside. They tried to glue this valve cover. That didn't work. And there's your oil leak. Well, it's funny how people complain about something. It's as simple as to what they did that causes the problem, and now it causes them more. I'm sure they try to fix it, they try to do something, but sadly it didn't work, because now they made it worse. Had they gone to someone who knows what they're doing, then they should have prevented it. But that is all for now. Till next time.